has a large bedside repair right here. One little trick, just to make sure this looks good before I send it to paint. Now I have another Dodge Ram. This one has a large bedside repair right here. You can see whenever I hold the taillight up to it, you can see how far in it is all throughout this area. Luckily, I have good access to get back behind it, so I'm going to start working it out with some different PDR tools to try to work it back into shape.
Today's episode is brought to you by Panther Pro with their Durabond RL Easy glass removal kit. This simplifies the process of removing glued-in glass on all of your typical vehicles. So, I met these guys at the SEMA show this last year, and we started talking about how I, as a body technician, would like to start removing my own glass and doing a lot of my own glass work. And they showed me this fantastic machine right here, and we started talking, and here we are now, and I have now been practicing using the RL Easy, and I'll tell you guys what, it is very easy using this machine to cut out glass. So all you body technicians out there that have thought about doing your own glass work, this is the tool you need. It is fantastic. Be sure to go check it out, pantherpro.com.
This one's looking very good. There's just a couple little spots that I'm going to put a thin coat on. So I went ahead and fit this tail light up just one last time to make sure it lines up good and all of my gaps look good. So I'm going to go ahead and pull the tail light back out, get this one taped up, and get it primed up. One little trick, just to make sure this looks good before I send it to paint, you could wet it down with wax and grease remover, and it kind of acts as a clear coat so you can see if there's any imperfections in the panel. Everything looks very nice on this one though. So I'm going to go ahead and unwrap it and send it on over to our paint department.